Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make French fries in the air fryer oven. Yes, French fries in the air fryer oven. Okay, so I bought this bag of French fries. Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay, and it costs $2.99. You can buy any kind you want. The kind is up to you, okay? Alright, so I'm going to adjust the camera and show you. So, what I have here is 2 trays already trayed up of the French fries. That's 1, and this is 2. And we're going to be cooking them in the air fryer oven, okay? Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do. They're on a tray, right? So I'm going to take the olive oil and just sprinkle a few drops here and there. You don't have to saturate it or nothing. Okay? And I'm going to put it in. Okay, that's the first one. And let me do the second one. Few drops. Okay. And this is the second one. Okay? That's all it is to it. And now we're going to put it in. Let me get a light here so I can see. Okay, and we're going to cook it on 400 because French fries cook pretty fast. Alright? Now let's go down to 10 minutes and see what's going on at that point. 10 minutes and we're off and running. Okay, and we'll be back at 10. Okay, so our 10 minutes have stopped. Let's take a look at the French fries. Oh, wow, look at that. Let's see if they are ready. Oh, yeah, they're nice and hot and they are ready. How about that? And here's our other tray. So there you go. See? You can have French fries in 10 minutes. There's no need for you to go to McDonald's, right? Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is cut McDonald's off. Unnecessary. They get the kids hooked with that little toy and everything, and then you're forced to go over there and eat with the kids because now the kids are hooked, and at the end result, you sometimes spend $10 for a meal and you don't even have a real good meal. You have a bunch of grease and some hamburger from I don't know where. You don't even know what kind of hamburger that is. God help you with your digestive tract on that. Okay, so alright, check out the links below. If this is your first time here to the channel, please subscribe, share the like button if you like it, and I love you. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.